In a world where the demand for data grows every second, your infrastructure must be ready, scalable, reliable, intelligent. Introducing the MDO, a high-density fiber cabinet line built to meet the highest demands of today's telecom networks, designed as a powerful solution for central office environments. Intuitive layout, easy access, modular design with the FibeRoad system inside. The MDO adapts to your needs, from GPON to P2P connection and beyond. Built for flexibility, the MDO line lets you mix and match trays, expand gradually and stack cabinets to fit any space. Need splitters? Add them outside the tray. Your network, your way. Choose the right fit for your network. MDO 300 for compact deployments, MDO 600 for optimal balance of size and capacity, and MDO 900 when maximum density matters. Each cabinet is built to scale and adapt to any rollout scenario. The MDO, your network, ready for the future. Learn more at micastelcom.com.